Thor News presents Doom On, Gold and Silver Disconnect from Reality, and Paper Gold and Silver. Well, we're seeing silver and gold get super monkey hammered. And what's really happening, from what I understand, is that physical silver and gold are not getting monkey hammered. I would guess that there is a large selling of paper silver and gold, which are known as ETFs, gold shares, gold exchange traded funds. And in theory, the gold fund is supposed to have as much gold as the people put into it. Although it's that whole Wall Street finance thing to where we can't even audit our own gold, like Fort Knox, the Federal Reserve. So the amount of audits and stuff that goes on with how much gold these guys actually contain and whether they've cut into them or if there's tungsten or something else. You know, like if you look at tungsten charts, they've gone up pretty high with gold, not the same. But anywho, so we're now watching what I believe is paper gold disconnect from physical gold, which is a very, very scary situation. People might not put much stock into Nostradamus, but one of the things that quatrains when he speaks of the inflated gold and silver. Yes. One of the Nostradamus quatrains that's always stuck with me, and it's pretty much the reason I got obsessed with Nostradamus, is Century 8, Quatrain 28. The copies of gold and silver inflated, which after the theft were thrown into the lake at the discovery that all is exhausted and dissipated by the debt, all scrips and bonds will be wiped out. That's scary shit. That's real scary shit. So doom on. And I've always said that doom is an economic. So I don't know what's happening, but usually if there is a gold monkey hammer down, the markets soon follow. We're in strange times indeed. As the economy becomes more unstable, usually life and societies and governments and everything else becomes more unstable. So we really need to, everybody just need to keep an eye on this. Watch out. Scary times ahead. I mean, the lower gold and silver, they can only hit that much. Like, you can only sell so much paper gold until, you know, there are real ramifications. As my stepfather Jim said about gold and silver is, right now it's really hard to find out how much it's actually worth. You know, there's no real way. Markets are so screwed up, figure out exactly how much it's worth. Because as long as they can print paper gold, the real price of gold is FUBAR, baby. Silver too. So to see silver drop under 20 and to see gold plummeting, it's scary stuff, I think, in my opinion. When gold and silver are doing the limbo, saying, how low can we go? There's nowhere to run, baby. And to see it now drop so fast, like it was an Apple stock, it's a bit mind-blowing. Alright, yeah, as I put this out here now, silver is at 1863 and gold is at 1233. It's a bad sign, bad sign. Anyway, Zero Hedge is going to have another field day, I guess. A foe for two. Now, I do believe that gold and silver are really worth a lot, but at this point, it's going to take an apocalyptic event to make gold and silver find their actual value. Their true value, shall we say, or their what they should be priced at under a real market, but we're not under real markets right now, so who knows. Enjoy every moment you can, people. These really are crazy times. Just letting you know. Okay, keep an eye out. God bless everyone. Anyway, alright, later.